All right, guys, we got you guys a really sexy 1966 Chevy Corvette. Really beautiful car, all original. We didn't do much work to it. We did a little bit of work about 2 years ago. He brought it back. He thought he had an exhaust leak, but he doesn't. So we said we're going to show it to you guys. Got manifolds on it on each side. Then he's got original side pipes. As you guys can see right there. And right there. Out the side. Really beautiful car. Really nicely done. Nice red color. There's the side chrome pieces on it. There's where it goes out the side. It's got the split window, so it's a really rare Corvette. You guys don't see these all the time. So I want to let you guys see the exhaust on it. It's got a 350, I think. I don't know what motor size. I didn't ask them. I just wanted to let you guys see it. That's how the exhaust is run on these in 1966. No converters, nothing. Very simple, to the point. And they got resonators inside of them. That's how they designed them. You guys see the hole like that. Indentations inside. Really nice. That's the other side of it. Really pretty. We'll let you guys hear it. It's running now. We're checking it for exhaust leaks. Look how clean it is inside too. It's just really nice. It's mint. A lot of room in the back too. What's her name? Ruby. Her name is Ruby. Ruby Red. Beautiful. I want to let you guys see it.
Santa's sleigh, babe.
Santa's sleigh, babe. There's that window. Single window. It's not a split window, actually. Man, this thing's beautiful. Look how nice it sounds. That is beautiful. There it is. Again. That is nice. There's sound decibels on it. Again. So right at 105. Go ahead and back it out. That sounds so good. There it is. Yeah, Chevy Corvette, Ruby Red.